Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn. Damn, dude. What? Damn. Hmm. No, I didn't oversleep. I'm just pissed because I didn't take this damn trade. Oh my God. Yo, it literally bounced at 35, 36. Like, oh, like we talked about last night. Oh no, no, no. Oh. I went, dude. I was up. I just didn't want to look at the charts because I didn't want to stay up all night. No. Oh no. No. Damn. Well, it might sell off from here. I mean, it's highly likely it'll sell off, but or not sell off. We probably get a pullback. Damn. Hmm. Damn. Were you able to catch this move, Alfred? I mean, it does look like it wants to sell off here, or not like not sell off, but at least a pullback. Damn. Yeah, congratulations on that. And weren't you short last night, gain weight? Did you flip? Or did you get caught? Man, this does look like a, you know what? Fine. I mean, I'll take it, man. I'll take it. I think this is a probably like a short right here. Mm, no, they're gonna bounce it and then probably like, man, that's not even fair, man. Man, that's not even fair. Why they do that shit in the pre-market, man? Why they do this shit in the pre-market? Yo, that's not even fair. God damn. That's not even fair. Mm. That's probably why. Okay. I'm going to start taking it as a sign because I didn't go to sleep until like 3 o'clock. And the crazy thing is, if I came back to the charts and looked at it, what time did I go to sleep? Yeah, like around 3 or whatever. I still would have been trapped. Well, I wouldn't have been trapped, but I still had an opportunity at 3 o'clock to still come back and get this entry. I mean, it wasn't the bottom, but it was a good risk to reward entry. Let's actually look at that on the footprint chart. I want to see how it looked. I mean, you could tell that the sellers were trapped here. I mean, this candle, this footprint chart, would have probably convinced a lot of people to stay short with all these sell imbalances. But then obviously with all this selling, there wasn't no follow through. So uh, I guess I should have sold that. Let's see. He said YM and RT doing the exact opposite. Yeah, you know what? I think this is probably both the ES and the Nasdaq double topping this. I think this is a double top. I think that's why we got that last night because I mean with this, I mean they came back into this range, they came back and tested the top, and you can see all this selling. So yeah, I think this is probably just them rebalancing this area just to knock it down. At least that's my current bias right now. Uh, Based on the ES, they would definitely have to find support above this range to continue higher. And look at the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq did reject from a golden zone, and I ain't gonna lie, this 125 level was a level I was looking at previously for them to go short. You know what, man? I mean, all the signs are telling me to go short, but I ain't trying to get trapped. Not on a Monday. Not on a Monday. So he was long the whole time. Gain weight is what you're saying? Mm, you know what, man? Let me see if I can get it. I think they're gonna probably come. Hmm. Damn it, man. Uh, all right, man. I'll just stay in with 3 contracts with the Nasdaq. I'll just play it like that. I'll just stay 3 in with the Nasdaq. Now I okay. So let's just say that we do get this rotation down. Let's just say that. Uh Man, it's gonna be hard to trust any longs until about 885 until we get back down into this area right here. It's gonna be hard to trust longs for me personally. Because we already retested this area. We retested this area of previous supply. So I'm like, I don't know, man. I mean, I don't know. Like we're really back in it. This is what I was looking for last week. We just didn't get it. Or whatever day that was when I was looking for 125. Whatever day that was, we just didn't get it. But we got it now. I got to 140 on the Nasdaq. So hmm. And I can trust. See, I should have took that short of the ES. But what I thought they was going to do was probably come back up to 660 and then drop it. But if I took this short on the ES right here, I'll only be up like 3 points though. Targeting like VWAP or something. Damn. Damn, I should have took the short. No. Oh no. No. I should have took it. I should have took it. On the ES, I would have been paid. All right. Let's see what they do here, man. I will be it depends. We'll see what happens above this high. I mean, if it gets up into this range, I'll take the loss. I'll take it. But um I think the Bulls are going to have a hard time here because like I said, man, we're in supply. We are definitely in supply. And this is our first time coming back to test this area right here. And I do expect for there to be some passive sell orders or some bears coming in here to try to sell it. They already sold it already, or they've already started to sell it. But and then we got a mean double top on the ES, and the ES don't play them games like the Nasdaq. When you see a double top, you can trust it. Mm. 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 And I still don't get these damn footprint charts. Man. He said, "Leave the blocks and gloves in the closet." I mean, well, we'll see. I don't feel like I'm fighting the trend. I feel like I'm shorting an area of previous resistance. That's why. I mean, I'm only going in light. I'm not going to go in with a heavy size until I see further confirmation. But um, hmm, 56. Hmm. Let's see what they do here. But I probably should. Well, no, no. I mean, I guess yeah, maybe it could. Does it do that though? Congratulations on that. I was about to say, hold on, Top Step has a consistency rule, but I forgot they got it on the eval side. Got it on the eval. Man, why the market do this shit overnight while everybody was asleep, man? That is so foul, man. That was foul. Ugh, that was foul. That was foul, man. If the market finds support here, I'm going to close this one out. I'm going to close it out if it finds support. This is a Nasdaq that we're talking to, or we're talking about. Mm-hmm. 51, 52. And of course. Damn.
And Q. Absorption spike.
No, okay. No, I'm gonna keep my stop here. I'm gonna keep it here. Mm. Damn. NQ is going crazy, and yet the ES isn't. Mm. Mm. Damn. I keep forgetting that the ES is very particular, and that these little. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Damn. You know I'm gonna fight it. Okay. Mm. Mm. Damn. All right. All right. So the Nasdaq is going crazy, but not the ES, huh? Okay. Yeah. Well. And once that shit is gone, that shit is gone. Hmm. That's interesting. All right, the 9 o'clock algo's coming. Let's see what happens. That's interesting. Hmm. And isn't it not the same thing? Hmm. I hope you're able to do that, game whip. I hope you're able to do that. Accomplish your goal. Hmm. Man, I would have preferred to have been on this damn thing. Short on the ES because I think I would have got my target hit. Yeah, I think no, if I got in like right here, I would. I think my target would be right where VWAP is. Mm. So I'm guessing since Smith stayed up and Smith isn't on, I don't see him, so he probably stayed up all night. I should have stayed up and traded this. I should have stayed up and traded this thing, man. Always doing this shit every time when I want to go to bed. All right, so let's see what they do here at VWAP. It'll be interesting if we come back down here. Like if we see a move back down here in the 30s and they actually buy it around 32, that would be interesting to me. But I hate the fact that this is the exact level that we talked about last night. And I was just hoping that the market was just going to wait until the AM to do it. Oh. I was just hoping that the market waited until the morning to do it. Okay. Yeah. He was up all night. He didn't respond or nothing. Mm, yeah. We'll see what happens here. Let's see. God damn. Shit, what news did we just get? Mm. I mean, I know it's a 9 o'clock hour going on, but mm, 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 mm. Mm, I guess. Oh, we have the ISM manufacturing this morning. And we had news on a Monday. We had news on a Monday. So apparently we had ISM manufacturing, employment index, new orders, PMI, and prices paid. We came in under expectations for ISM prices paid, came in above for PMI. They haven't really said anything about new orders and employment index. Yeah, what I should have did was waited for this range. That's what I should have did. Was waited for the range. That's what I should have did on the Nasdaq. I keep forgetting. Should have waited for the range on the Nasdaq. That's what I should have did. Mm. I guess if I wanted to short, I should have shorted the ES versus the Nasdaq. But they could be buying this thing off of VWAP as well. Mm. Hmm. Two. Damn, I should have. Damn, I should have took that long in my damn other account. That's what I should have did last night, man. Yeah, so painful. Okay. All right, so I got stopped out of that one. Mm, let's see what it does here. I have a feeling that this thing just stopped me out the drop, but we'll see what happens. Mm, 54. I'm gonna have to get all the way up here to get paid. Okay. Mm, let me see. Red folder news. Thanksgiving messed up the cycle. Yeah, it definitely did. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Mm, like a little micro one. It's like a little micro one for real. But I doubt it though. I mean, shit. If you do that, you might as well. I mean, that would make the most sense. But I mean, would you want to take that though? Would you want to take that? Mm, okay. The Nasdaq can definitely be a bitch at times. Mm. Everything is green except the ES, which is absolutely crazy. Mm. Oh crap! I did not take this in the. No. Oh yeah, jump my. Oh wow, I forgot about that. Wow. Yeah, we took this trade last night and it jumped my order. Mm. So we would have caught the top on Bitcoin last night if this thing filled me. This thing jumped my order last night, and that's why they get filled in the sim. Mm. I mean, that'll be 10 points right there. Mm. Okay. So if the ES comes down here and I start to see some support around the 200 EMA, I'll go long for a possible retest. But I don't know, man. I mean, the Nasdaq is still going. God damn. God damn. The Nasdaq is still going. Oh man, the Nasdaq is still going. Hmm. Just the ES ain't doing nothing though. Um, mm, ugh. Mm. I mean, which is absolutely crazy though. Mm, mm, mm. All right, so let's see if they sell this thing down here on the ES. I wonder if they want to tap into this area right here at the 200 EMA first before going up. I'm not going to try to short this down. I guess I'll catch it if it does go down. Mm. Yeah, the times where the ES and the Nasdaq uncorrelate themselves from each other. Because the Nasdaq looks like it can keep going back up into this range. Hmm. I guess that kind of does make sense. Why, if there's buyers trapped right here, and price does give them opportunity to come out and break even, that you'll see price kind of come down, and you'll see it just get sold off because the buyers that were trapped here, they got out at break even. Oh. I mean, I guess. Mm. Yeah, it's just kind of hard to read on what the hell they're trying to do on the ES. That's why I kind of hate missing this move last night. And it does look like they want to sell it, but the Nasdaq ain't looking like she about to sell anytime soon. It looks like she still got some steam left in her. But then the Nasdaq did her old classic, missed the 200, the 100 point level by 4 or 5 points. I mean, that's a NQ classic right here. We're starting to get this sell off. That is an NQ classic right here. Yeah, I don't know what the hell that's. Okay, so they do that. If they sell it off here, Ah, shit. Ah, damn. Okay. All right. All right. So they could be trying to, okay. Oh, so they double topped here at 96. So this is a double top then, huh? Hmm. Yeah, Nasdaq goes for levels. The ES goes for structure. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens here on the ES. I guess we just have to be patient. 嗯， Yeah, I wouldn't buy that. Wow. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, it's a freaking mess on the ES, man. Oh. Hmm. 41. Hmm. I mean, obviously, this is the original one. And I guess they could keep going. Oh. Hmm. Shit, that's probably should have been my son right there. That's what I should have looked at first. Looks like everybody has the order sitting right here waiting for that drop to get in at 49. And they got some more orders sitting at 45. Mm, mm. Okay. That's not even fair. That is not fair. That is not fair. Um, of course. Of course. $227. 214, 233, 250, 268 is that head, that high. 250, 252. Then they came back and swept liquidity right here. Then they came back at 191. So we'll see. We'll see what happens up here. Let's see what happens up here. Man, I hate that they did this shit overnight, man. I hate that. And then the ES still ain't doing nothing. So you said all the Trump updates? Okay. Probably, yeah. I'm just trying to, well, obviously, if the market's not trying to go short, I'm trying to look for a good pullback and trying to think of, no, not think of, but try to identify a good area to try to get in short. I thought about kind of getting in long here on the ES, but I kind of want a deeper pullback on the ES because I don't want to have to hope for them to trade it past this high right here at 62. And anybody that got in at VWAP, their 10 points would be right here at R2. So I'm going to assume that they'll be taking profits here at around R2 somewhere. And you definitely have to be a lot more patient on the ES than you are on the Nasdaq because she's unforgiving with your position. With your entry, depending on where it's at. I mean, you could definitely get lucky, but you definitely won't be consistent doing that on the ES, unfortunately. Yeah, I feel like shit. I didn't even go to sleep last night, and shit, I still miss this damn pump. Like it's so crazy. The nights that I do stay up and say, you know what? Yeah, I'll probably stay up and just watch the charts and see what happens. And the times I don't do it, that's when this crap happens overnight. Yeah, I wouldn't short that. I wouldn't short it. You got too much EMA support for this to really fall down. You definitely would have to wait on the ES for the EMAs to get out of the way. Oof. You said the pump happened around 6 p.m. Eastern? Mm. Oh. Mm. And I was up at 12 o'clock too, man. That's I think that's what hurts the most. I was up. I just was in bed watching YouTube videos because I couldn't go to sleep. All right, so that's gonna probably be something new. If I can't go to sleep, I'm just gonna get up and look at the charts and see why. Because it seems like the times when like I just randomly wake up at night, or if I okay, there it goes right there. There goes the 10 points right there for those that got out of that got in that VWAP. There's the 10 points right there. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, every time I wake up randomly at night and can't go to sleep, it seems like that's when the market's pumping, but I don't want to get out of bed and get in front of the charts because I know I won't go back to sleep. But then I don't go to sleep anyway. Mm, okay. Hmm. Isn't that interesting, man? It's interesting. I wouldn't say that. Okay. There it goes. Okay. Hmm. I guess all I really care about is showing the imbalances. I don't really care about anything else. Hmm. Okay. Hey, can you get some potatoes? Thanks. No, I think that's it. Hmm. Mm. Hmm. Mm. Hey, what's up, Mohammed? What's up? What's up? You said, how did I do today? So I took a small loss on the Nasdaq. I re-entered short, but if I'm wrong on this, so this will probably be my last trade for the day. If I'm wrong on this, I entered short on the Nasdaq and I entered short on the ES, and I got my stop in the same general area on both. I mean, if it trades above this high on the ES, then um, I'm most likely wrong, but I'm still going to give it 2 points above this high right here on the ES. The Nasdaq, I mean, if it gets above this area right here, then I mean, it's still actually on the Nasdaq. I might, you know what? Because the Nasdaq could be trying to make a rotation back up into this range, but uh, if it gets above 205, then I'm gonna probably close it on the Nasdaq for sure. Because obviously the Nasdaq's gonna probably want to go higher if that's the case. Mm. Okay. No, not really, obviously. No, not really. Mm. Uh, yeah, hoping, dreaming. Well, damn, Nasdaq, I was about to close it if you gave me an opportunity to think about it. Mm, always. All right. All right. So I guess if this thing gives me break even on the Nasdaq, I'll close it. Or this is where I'll keep my stop right here. Because obviously the Nasdaq wants to go higher. John. So I think if gain weight's still there, I think gain weight would probably be better to answer that question because I'm gonna say Ninja Trader 8. I feel that Ninja Trader 8 is a better platform, but at the same time, I've never traded on AMP. As a beginner, I would go with the more easier platform. One, like I said, I never traded on AMP, so I really can't say if one is better than the other though. But I feel that Ninja Trader 8 is more beginner friendly. I didn't have to become a rocket scientist to set it up or nothing. And Mohammed says, "Why did I short?" I shorted because I saw what I believe to be exhaustion, a double top, on both the Nasdaq and the ES. That's why I shorted. We'll see. I saw it on the ES first, and then I shorted the Nasdaq as well. But at the same time, the Nasdaq might not be ready to short. But I think the ES is. I think that's how far the ES wants to go for right now. Mm. But if they do shoot off the 21 EMA right here on the ES, then I'm definitely wrong. I'm definitely wrong if they do find support here. I'll be wrong. Mm. They find support at this range, then. Mm. This is going to be a tough situation right here. This is tough. This is definitely tough. If they find support here, then I'm wrong. But I feel like if I close this damn thing and then it goes in my favor. Mm, okay, I'll put this right here. I mean, I'm probably going to get stopped out of this one if they don't hold this, but at least I kind of protect myself on the Nasdaq. The ES, I'm going to see what happens on the ES. If Nasdaq, if you would be so merciful, if you're going actually going to drop, don't stop me out. You said the numbers are in the way. What numbers are you seeing? Okay. All right. So at least I got out on the ES on me on the Nasdaq. Okay. Hmm. XBX. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I'm not gonna fight it on the Nasdaq anymore. I'm not gonna fight it on the Nasdaq. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if I stayed in this position. It'll probably work out on the Nasdaq. Because I mean, what I'm thinking is, like I said, I don't look for full reversals when I'm looking to trade against the trend. If everybody's long, then I'm looking to short back into areas where this is where I was really looking for this area right here for the market to move into, possibly back down into this range. That's what I was looking for, but I'm not going to fight the Nasdaq on that one because it can definitely keep going up higher to come down shorter. But on the ES, on the other hand, if it doesn't do specific things, then I know that okay, I'm good. Like if they don't find support right here, then I'm good. If they break it down, then we can possibly see a retest of 52. But obviously, I'm hoping that it comes back down to test the 200 EMA. Mm, yeah, it's looking like it's a finding support right here. He said the time of the year. Mm. So, what does the market usually tend to do at this time of the year? I know that the Santa rally is very popular, but it seems like we don't usually get that until towards the end of December, kind of going into the first week of January. Okay. You said a Santa rally? Yeah. Oh, you said what is the Santa rally? I guess it's just a term that the market has coined that during the December timeframe, the market rallies for whatever reason. And they just call it the Santa rally. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. Oh my God. Oh man. Oh, oh man. Oh. All right, man. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. Whatever, man. Whatever. Still short on the ES. Still short. Way to break my heart, Nasdaq. Way to break my heart. Mm. All right. Mm. Yeah, I'm probably like around the 200 EMA, like right here. Mm. All right, man. Muhammad, all right, never mind. I just saw that you were asking game weight. Apparently, game weight was sending mixed signals last night. Apparently, he was telling everybody he was short. Come to find out, he said he was long. What's up with that, game weight? Mm, damn. Shit, now I don't even trust longs right now. Well, I mean, if we get a break below this level right here, I don't even trust it to go long anymore because shit, they already made the move right here. They made this move right here. So if we get a break below this and they come back up, this would probably be like a rebalance of this area right here. If they do break this, I don't okay, like I don't think that price will come down here. I'm not saying that. I'm just kind of thinking in the future, like if we do see a break underneath this range, like tomorrow or something, because you know that uh, the market has a habit of running it up for the holidays, coming in on Monday doing this crap, and then on Tuesday they like to rebalance the market after this whole run up. So that's what I'm thinking about right now, to be very clear. Um, I do think that S4 would be an area like 25, 28-ish would be a good area to look for a long, because I'm pretty sure that market participants are going to want to buy the retest of this breaker structure from this area. But I mean, we already got the retest of 60. So, I mean, unless it comes back up and retests is 48, because I mean, if we do get a break below this low right here, I'm going to think that the market participants are going to kind of rebalance it. But I mean, if we do get a break, hmm, Mm. So I shorted the Nasdaq. I think where was I at? Um, I was somewhere around 190, I think, if I'm not mistaken, because it came back and stopped me out. So yeah, I was in like 191. I was in at 191, and if she didn't be well, I guess if I kept my stop where it was, um, I guess I'll be up about 50 points right now on the Nasdaq, which is sad. Which is sad. Mm, mm, maybe. Oh, mm, I mean, look at the footprint chart. Not gonna lie, man, that just sucks, man. Damn it, that just sucks. You really can't make stuff like that up. You really can't. You really can't make stuff like that up. Actually, I might have to take this. Oh man, I might have to take it. Come on, ES. That with that BS. Come on, ES with that BS. Because they actually might try to bounce it here, actually. They might actually try to bounce this, but we'll see if we can get. Don't, no, no. Come on, ES. Don't do this. Don't do this, ES. Come on. Don't do this. Like the Nasdaq is definitely also in an area where it's highly likely that they'll probably bounce it, but they might come down to R4 with the Nasdaq. We'll see what happens here, because I think that 200 EMA is going to either be a trap or this is where the bulls are just going to try to pile in at. I mean, I guess we can look at it on the we can look. Yeah, it seems like there's a bunch of orders at 48. I mean, should get this hit. Yeah, I think I'm probably being greedy here. Yeah, because they're probably not going to break that. The way that this is looking, they ain't going to break it. This is the E. Ah, shit, and the Nasdaq is jumping. All right, so now I gotta make a decision. Now I gotta make a decision here. Hmm. Yeah, they're buying this. They're buying in this area. I gotta make a decision quick. Either take my profits here Or yeah, they're buying in this area right here. I see the delta changing. Yeah, oh man. Ah, they're buying in this area. Ah, hmm, hmm. Yeah. All right, so here's my dilemma right now. Either I take my profits and flip long here because this is exactly where if I follow my plan, I feel like I'll be successful if I follow my plan here. If I take this and flip long. But at the same time, my only concern is if shit. Okay, we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. Because I guess the only reason why I'm saying that is because if the Bulls really want to buy here, where the hell are they going to go? I mean, this is the ES. This is not the Nasdaq or nothing where she just does stuff. I mean, where the Bulls going to go if they buy this? Are they going to take out this head and shoulders pattern right here? Are they going to take it out? Are they going to come back and try to rebalance the bottom of this range again? And that's the dilemma. Because if I go long, where do I go? And if I don't feel it's going long, then I should stay short. Ah, okay. Decisions, decisions, decisions. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, Mohammed, I think that's kind of why I'm a little bit upset. We was in the pre-market. We called this level perfectly on the ES. Perfectly, we called this level here on the ES last night. But unfortunately, I chose to stay in bed. And so I would have been done for the day, obviously, if I set a limit. That's probably what I should have done. I should have set a limit, but I figured that if I set a limit here, then I probably wouldn't have gone to sleep. The crazy thing is, I didn't even go to sleep anyway until like 3 o'clock this morning for whatever reason. Mm. So the buyers are definitely trying to absorb the sellers here. Definitely trying to absorb the sellers. Let me look at this one last thing and then I'll make my decision. Because if we get a break from right here, like if price breaks, I'm thinking that, excuse me, I'm thinking, yeah, we can possibly see like this area right here where price wants to go. Price can probably come down here. So about 32.28-ish. Probably want to come and sweep the liquidity underneath this low a little bit. But then they can also kind of come in at S2 right here. Shit. All right. All right. right, so they are buying. They are buying. Okay. All right. And that's exactly where the market would go. This is probably where the market would go. So, all right. Fuck. All right. Market would probably come right back here. All right. Yeah, I made a mistake on this one, obviously. I should have trusted my instincts on this one. I should have trusted the instincts on this one. Let's see if this is where, yeah, I should. I mean, honestly, I would have been out of this already if I didn't move my target. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what happens. So they did buy it here at the 200 EMA, as I kind of figured they would. Uh, mhm, mhm, mhm. Okay. So you didn't get your payout from you profit gain weight? If you didn't get your payout, then I'm not gonna, because I got some subscriptions renewing in 2 weeks, and if they didn't pay you out, well shit. So they haven't said anything about it. Okay. All right. So yeah, if gain weight didn't get paid out, there it goes. Yeah. Damn it. All right. Ain't no point going negative for this shit. I should have took the profits. Ain't no point going negative. So, all right. Damn. 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 Uh, uh. Mm. God. Ah. Mm. Damn. Mm. Damn. All right. Mm. Damn. I apologize about that, Mohammed. Mm. Mm. Okay. Mm. All right. So where does this market wants to go? Like, where does it want to go? So obviously it wants to go somewhere. It's trying to get somewhere. Mm. I mean, certain things. I mean, we'd have to see. We have to see a breakout out of this range, and then they would have to find support, and then we would see that move up. I mean, obviously, if I stuck to the original plan, if I was going to go short, got out here at the 200 EMA and flipped long. Mm. Mm. I feel like if they do pull this back, they're just going to. Mm. Mm. The market's trading in a range now. I mean, that's obviously about to go up, probably. Mm. All right. All right. Let me cancel all my subscriptions from you, Profit, because if they didn't, this is. Um, mm, okay. Mm, mm, yeah. Mm, well, this thing ain't gonna drop no time soon. I mean, if this thing does get down to VWAP, I mean, I guess I could just go long there. 53. I mean, if we are given that gift of a drop and then a pop, like 50. But I think, I mean, they bought it off the 200 EMA. Mm, Mm. Looks like there are a lot of buy icebergs at 650. Mm. 41. But no, that doesn't. Because if they do buy it right here at 32, if they did come back and buy it at 32 right here. This would be 40, 10 points. Bunch of selling balances here at 52. No, Gameway, that's not, no. That them not paying you is like the last straw. It's the last straw because I've been seeing a lot of people say the same thing. And we play this game to get paid out, not to be sitting waiting on pins on eggshells, hoping that somebody from their team responds. Because MFF pays instantly. So I mean that's the new standard in my opinion. If I have to email you about something that I've done, like so I've been going through the Trust Pilot because somebody in the Discord said something about look at the comments on Twitter, Trust Pilot, and other platforms. So I actually looked at the reviews last night for whatever reason, and this guy said that he grew his account to 20K, 20K, and he went to go and get a $3,500 payout, and they denied it and closed his account. Now, just imagine the amount of patience, the amount of, at least the time that you had to put in to grow your account to 20K. And we don't know if he followed their rule. I mean, anyways, I mean, we don't care about their stupid rules because they implemented it on November 26th. That's when they came out with these new rules. And trades before that, they're not even honoring them. So he grew his account to 20K and they didn't pay it out. His payout. And that's all I was seeing on Trustpilot. And then you see the bot comments. Like, I mean, I maybe because when it comes to leaving reviews, if people have good experiences, 9 times out of 10, they won't leave a review. For the most part, if someone has a bad experience, that would encourage somebody to leave a review, not if they had a good experience. When I see the good comments and they're talking about, yeah, this is like the best company ever, and speaking like how people don't normally speak, I just automatically consider them bot comments because people don't talk like that. Because why the hell are they congratulating you for doing what you are supposed to do anyway? They got into the account. They traded it, they got it to a certain profit target, and they requested a payout. It's business. I'm not going to go online and say, yeah, you profits great for that. Now, if they gave me an extra $5,000 on top of what they paid out to be a great trader, then yeah, I'm going to go out there and give them a review. But outside of that, I'm not doing that shit. And a lot of people think that way. So when they have a lot of people come out and, give good reviews, I automatically think that's suspicious. Automatically. I go straight to the bad reviews because I know those are most accurate statements. Now, I do look for when people say if they're attacking not the company, but maybe an experience that they had, then obviously you don't take that into consideration, obviously. But when it comes to the business, yeah. And a bunch of people are not getting paid out, and they're all saying the same thing. They're all saying that they're waiting weeks to hear back from the team. This is the same thing that happened over at FTT, where they try to gaslight you into thinking that they're going to be able to pay out. And so yeah. I can just stay over here at MFF where I know that my hard work is going to be rewarded with the instant payout. And then they got trading. I don't know if anybody knows this, but MFF has the trading view accounts as well. I mean, obviously they're not swing accounts, but if you prefer to trade on trading view, they actually have that now. If you're used to that platform. Oh. Yeah. Oh, you saw that too, Game Weight? Yeah. Yeah, it sucks, man. I will never want to be in that trader's shoes because these prop firms, I mean, I guess they get away with it because, people come back or they'll get new people to replace the old people that leave and go somewhere else. I mean, they'll get away with it, but I can just only imagine how that trader feels, growing the account to 20K and not being able to take a payout and having to go somewhere else already after spending the money with this business. And for them to, hide behind new rules that they came up with out of nowhere. Because I guess too many people were getting paid out. I mean, these are easy accounts. I mean, if I wasn't bullshitting with these accounts, the way I was, I would have gotten payouts. Smith would have gotten payouts. Smith would have got big payouts. Well, actually, no, they cap the payouts. Never mind, they cap them. They cap your payout based on your account size. Ugh. So Muhammad said, "No, Muhammad, this is not the same situation. The rules that they implemented was not in the agreement. They just popped up with it on November 26th, and they don't have it in the rules. They have it in a separate part of the website where they don't even tell you where this thing is. We had to look for it on stream. We had to look for it, and this part is actually what they call the where is it? Where is it at? Oh. It's called good trade practices or something like that. Because we was looking for all these rules changes that they just popped up with out of nowhere with. And dude, I'm not looking for this crap, man. Yeah, they came up with this good trade practices, and they published this document on November 26th. So in reality, every trade before November 26th shouldn't even have to adhere to these rules because nobody agreed to them, and yet people are getting denied payouts based on these, and they're nowhere near the payout rules or anything else. They deceptively got it in a separate part of their website, and they don't. If you go and look at the payout for funded, we'll see if they got the link now. But there's no link to that page. There's nothing telling you that you have to go to that page and adhere to those rules. It just says that you have 0 rules. Initial balance generated, blah, blah, blah. Maximum loss limit of your funder account is set to 0. You don't see anything else that states that you have to follow those good trading practices that they have right here. Payout policy. Yeah, they don't have no link to that page. And this is the payout rules right here. So this is what traders should have to adhere to. There's nothing about no daily drawdown. You have to make $200 for 5 days, and you're able to take out 50% of the account balance. Well, actually, for the 30K, 12, 52, 150, 35 per payout. Yeah. Yeah, it says 90% off, but you're right or else. Yeah, yeah, that's definitely is. So unfortunately, a lot of traders got denied payouts. But now you got a daily loss limit now. You have a daily loss limit on these 0 accounts. That's supposed to be 0 rules. So now you can't have your position be 1.5% in the negative now. A lot of people are now, you got to hold a position for more than a minute. Any activity that could be deemed as high frequency trading will be a breach of the account. And they don't even specify what the hell that even means. Yeah, so unfortunately, these accounts are good anymore. So I'm not going to be, I mean, they're not good anymore. So I'll just keep one of my 150Ks that's going to renew on the 15th of this month. I'll keep that, but all my other ones I'm going to cancel because I'll just stay over here at MFF, and I'll just trade Bitcoin with that 150K account and just trade Bitcoin over there with it. Still upset with this short that it literally skipped me. Like, man, look at this drop. This thing literally skipped my order last night on Bitcoin and then had the nerve to drop after it did that crap. So it seems like I'm gonna have to, I guess if I were to get in with market orders, I might get I might get a stupid fill. Okay. Uh, 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 man. Well, okay. Hmm. Damn. So this move down, taking profits, flipping long. This move up would have been 18 points in this one little V right here. 18 points. Should have just took the profits, listened to myself, went long, and would have got an extra 18 point or another 9 points, totaling 18 points on the ES. Oh man. Dude, I hate that they did this, man. I hate this. Why did they do this at 12 o'clock at night? I hate that they did that. All right. Okay. Uh, hold on. So hold on. Gain weight before what? Hold on. Gain weight. They said that you was a bot. You said that Take Profit and Apex both denied your payments because they thought you were a bot. Didn't you have to take a picture and show your face? Ah, damn. Oh my. Ah. All right. I'm just gonna have to come back in later on today and see what happens here. Ah, man. Ah, man. Not gonna lie, this does hurt seeing the trade plan work out and me going against it like a fool. God damn. God. Damn. Ah, man. Mm, okay. Yeah, I definitely was foolish today. The trade plan definitely worked out here on the ES. And I did what the hell I wanted to do. Now, if I stayed short on the Nasdaq, I mean, my feelings would have been hurt because it definitely would have just stopped me out. I definitely would have just gotten stopped out after being in profit. So if I didn't take, well, on the Nasdaq, if I saw this, I would have closed this position because the one thing that I know for sure is if we don't get a break of a range on the Nasdaq, this is exactly what's going to happen. So I would have actually took this if I saw that it didn't break this range and it traded right back into it. I would have trailed my stop down and I would have had it above this range. I know that for sure on the Nasdaq. Hmm. All right. And I guess this should surprise nobody. It found support right at R1 on the ES. It found, I mean, this was a clean entry on ES at R1. Moved from R1 to R2. Hmm. Okay. All right, guys. I gotta get into this meeting, so I'm going to end it here. We'll come back later on tonight. Not gonna lie, man, this sucks. This definitely sucks. Definitely sucks. But we'll come back tonight. And with that said, everybody, peace out.